Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel TechSol. Hope everyone is doing good. So today I have this new product with me, which is a Adidas shoe, which I ordered through Flipkart, which got arrived today. So I'll be doing unboxing of this product, and also at the end of this video I'll be helping you find whether this shoe is original or not. So this video will help you how to identify whether the Adidas shoes are original or the fake ones. So let's get started. So first unbox this. So this is not very good packaging which I received, so let me keep it here. This is the packaging which I get. So this is the shoe. If you see the price of this particular shoe, the mentioned price is almost 19,000, and this model is UltraBoost Lite, and this is imported from China. So the packaging is pretty bad. If you open the box, we get the invoice of this product, and then nothing else, just the shoes. So let's directly come to the shoes. So these are the shoes. It looks nice. The quality is pretty premium. UltraBoost. This is the sticker for this Adidas, and another pair of shoes is here. So these are the two pair of shoes. Let me keep this mess aside. So if you see this from the back side, it looks like this. The side view is this one, and the front view. It looks pretty neat. If you see, there is a logo of Adidas here at the front, and there are some dots here on the sole. The UltraBoost logo here, and there is something written here. I think it's premium or something. This is the red color Adidas logo, and this is numbering. If you see the sole, it says UltraBoost, right? So quality wise, it's pretty good. If you see the sole, this is also very nice, and it's made up of some plastics, which Adidas says this is very this is for stability of the shoes. And the boost, this is also very what do you say, very good material, I guess. There is Continental written here. If I am able to zoom it properly, Continental Natural. So now coming to how to identify whether this product is original or not. First thing is, when you look at the quality, there itself you will get to know whether the product is original or not. But let me give you how to identify it. So first thing first, you need to know the model number of this shoe. So when I come to the box, here it says the article number is ID 3285, right? And this is the barcode basically. So first thing you need to do is, you need to type this ID in a phone and see if this is the same product which you ordered. So if I am doing it here in phone, ID 3285, I am getting the same product from the Adidas website. So that's the first thing to verify. Second thing, if I open any QR code scanner, let's say this one, and if I scan this barcode, I can see this number and this number is matching completely, right? So 406676533545, this is the same. Third thing to note is that in the shoe itself, that article number should be somewhere here. So if you see here, if this camera can focus properly, I'm not sure whether it can. Here if you see, this is manufactured in China, and the same article number is mentioned here, ID 3285, right? And if you scan this QR code, then this will route you to the same shoe on the Adidas websites. So if I do this, let's say if I scan this from this phone, it went to this particular website, this Adidas website. So these are the things which you can check. So overall it's a very good shoe, and if you see the inside sole, this is also pretty good. So there are some holes in it inside the soles. There is your Adidas logo here. The material is very good. This is a running shoe. So, and there's a light boost written here. There is light boost written here as well, and these are the dotted ones. If you see in the fake shoes, it won't be this much uniform. So yeah, this is it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe the video. Thank you.